Hey guys, real quick, I just want to show you this cool feature in N8N. It's called the Execute Sub Workflow, or call N8N Workflow Tool if you're dealing with an agent. So in this situation, I've built a multi-agent speed to lead system. Basically, a new lead fills out a form on a website, gets added to the CRM via this agent, and then we use the research agent that has this call N8N Workflow tool to conduct very detailed research on the potential client's website, company, etc. Then we draft and send a personalized email, and we let our team know. But what I want to go over is this tool right here. So if we open it up, all I did was tell the agent, hey, this is your research tool. Once your boss or the speed to lead agent, the manager agent that it's connected to, tells you to research the inquiry's website, you will use this tool to perform that research. So if we look down here, we go to source, database, and if you look at a list, it's a bunch of all my other workflows. But if you see this, I labeled it research agent tool. So if we look down in my other workflows for research agent tool, you can see it has this trigger called when executed by another workflow. Input data mode is accept all data. Basically what happens here is we scrape their websites. We basically combine all the data that we get. We put it into a summarizer, and then we add that summarization research to a Airtable base. Then that research then gets fed back into the lead manager agent, which then it allows it to form and send that email. But the cool part about this system is it can be repurposed. This is a very, very standard website scraping research analysis workflow. So if I wanted to build out another system that had something to do with scraping websites, instead of having to rebuild this over again, I then can build this other workflow where basically, let's say a website comes in via webhook, then I have it to call research agent tool. So what will happen is when that website comes in, it then will execute the research agent tool, which is this workflow right here. So anytime I want to have a system that has something to do with scraping websites, just by having this feature in N8N, I don't have to rebuild it over and over again. If you want to join a community of like-minded people who want to learn AI, make money with it, etc., check out my free school community called the AI Growth Lab.